Hey, what's up, Dent coin holder? Dent coin price is completely falls down from last 1 month, not just unique, last 1 month, not my friends, 2 months, my friend. This coin is falls down. Absolutely, they take a short jump, short fails, but the total average is going to be negative now. So, what's the main reason, my friends, to this coin is falls down? Absolutely, I will alert you, I will notify you, but kindly, please, after this prediction, you better understand to what skin there is a chance to they will moving upward or not. Please, before I get started video, subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. So Dent coin, one of the fastest coin, last 7 days 14% falls down, and you can say in the last 24 hour minus 2.89% falls down, but in last 1 hour they will take a jump. So remember this good jump, my friend. You can see here the change occur will be positive in last 1 hour, so it's a really great news. Dentcoin price is this time 0.003 USD dollar, and absolutely the price will be increasing if they starting moving upward now. So in last 1 hour they will increasing, so I hope, my friend, the price will be moving upward now. This time, my friend, the Dentcoin chart is on the screen, and this chart is completely showing my brothers to this coin after a short jump. This one is completely falls down from last 7 days. So Dentcoin, if the coin is falls down, so absolutely after a fails they will take a jump. So therefore I'm 100% sure to after this fails they also take a very huge jump now. So the good time is coming soon, holder. Please remember, be honestly, you need to hold it, and if you hold, remember, it's not a financial video. I just advise you, my brother, research personally before you take any decision, but my opinion is please hold it and wait for a good time. I hope especially at the end of this month the every cryptocurrencies will move upward, so therefore I am 100% sure to upcoming time they will give you a very good profit, and they will make you a rich man, they will make you a millionaire. So you need to hold and wait for a good time. Thanks for watching, Dent coin holder. Please like this video, subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz, take care.